Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Lovers in reverse, Five of Wands in reverse and Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, Sagittarius, maybe you have made some wrong choices or you have done something, maybe some mistakes, and it may be an unintentional mistake, but it has landed you in some difficult circumstance today, guys. Maybe because of that mistake you are seeing some difficulty in your work situation or in your relationship. Things are not going in the right way. Maybe you may see some arguments, some misunderstanding. So someone is opposing you. They are accusing you for those mistakes. So something you did maybe impulsively without thinking has landed you in this circumstance today, guys. And maybe whatever arguments or whatever misunderstanding you may have, some quarrels maybe, that is making the situation better for you guys. So you may have some clarity or you are in a very advantageous position because of these arguments. So the more things are heating up, people around you, they may know that you are not the reason for this mistake and you did it unintentionally, and it may be because of someone's instigation or someone's mastermind. Maybe someone was trying to trick you here into some choices or some moves in your career, or it may be something you did in your relationship. And the more they argue or fight, maybe with this person you love, you may have some arguments, and that is only going to prove your point that you are not the one who is the reason for these troubles. And maybe you have done certain things unintentionally, and that is not totally your fault. So whatever problems you are seeing today, guys, maybe this person may accuse you of certain things, or they are suspecting you of certain things. They may have a lot of doubts on you and they feel that they cannot trust you. So this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you, guys. Maybe they feel that they cannot trust you anymore, or you feel that you cannot trust them anymore for some reason. You feel that their intentions are not good, evil. That is the reason for such circumstances. Maybe you think that they have done something with their knowledge, but it was an unintentional mistake, guys, Sagittarius. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys. It is Three of Wands. So you are just waiting. You have had your own share of happiness and sadness in this relationship. Maybe today you are just waiting to see where things are going with this person in this connection, guys, whether it is going to resolve or not. So for your career situation, guys, we have 10 of Cups in reverse. So in your work situation, you may have some doubts regarding the right choices you need to make, the choices that will take you towards prosperity and success. And maybe you are sad about something, maybe the mistakes you did in your work. You are just wishing that things were different, guys, today, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, I will take this card aside, guys. So let's see what is the card for y'all. It is chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today maybe you are feeling really bored, or you feel that you don't have anything to do. So often in any relationship or friendship, there are periods of boredom and lulls. So you need to understand that this is the time for you to be really grounded. So nothing is important today than making simple tasks your focus. So whatever you do day to day, so even in this relationship, maybe you are you need to be aware of the things you are doing every day. It may be mundane things, something small, something simple, but you need to do it. You need to be there today, and that is what is going to make your relationship perfect. So doing simpler things together, just having a meal together, going for a walk together, simply reading a book together, maybe just staring into each other's eyes. So this may not be the time for action, but this is the time for us to have that space to breathe. So you're in your relationship, guys, this may be the time you need to take stock, understand each other, but just being together is what is important today, guys. Being present, being grounded in reality in your present situation. So everything is well, everything is going as it should be. Maybe this is not the time for you to move towards great dreams and goals, but to pay attention to the simpler tasks of your day to day life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe just spending time with this person you love, it's going to bring clarity and understanding, and it is going to help you to deepen this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. It is Puss in Boots, wit. So maybe today in your circumstances, in your life, you need to be more, more free and use your skills and talents today. Maybe not wait for your dreams or goals to come towards you, but pursuing that actively, using your skills and using all the opportunities you have today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be a genius today, using your intelligence and using your wits. So what needs to be done? You should do it using your the easiest way to do it. Maybe it may be something which you never implemented, but you should not leave any opportunity to achieve what you need to achieve, rather than waiting for those opportunities to come towards you. And maybe in your situation, there is a friend who is very charming and who is very clever, helping you out today, guys. And this is the time for you to optimize each and every opportunity you have, using your skills and intelligence and charm. So whatever opportunity it may be in your work or in your relationship, you are not going to let any opportunity go. You must try to use the best of any circumstance and to achieve whatever you need to achieve using your intelligence. So it should be something that should not hurt others, guys, in the process. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all. And you are moving into some new phase. You are feeling more cheerful and confident in yourself, and you will be feeling that way. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.